Today, let's take a look at the packaging scheme for duck cutlets, using the bagging machine. On the screen, set the packaging speed at 60 packages per minute. Workers stand on the manual platform and place the duck cutlets, one by one, into the circular discharging device. Using the principle of vacuum suction to take out the bag, they enter the bagging and opening workstation. According to the customer's requirements, we have equipped a high-speed coding machine to automatically print the production date. The mechanical hand accurately pushes the duck cutlets into the bag, and then injects chili oil into the next workstation. Through rotating blowing air, the bag opening is cleaned. Then, the packaging bag is sent into the vacuum chamber, and the vacuum extraction, heat sealing, and cooling processes are carried out successively to ensure a firm and flat seal. Finally, it is sent to the finished product area by the conveyor belt, completing the entire packaging process of the duck cutlets.